Welcome back to another video, and for today I'll be going over the best 5 tools that every blogger, writer, student and marketer needs in 2022. And best of all, they're all free to use, so you can get started immediately after watching this video. And at number 5 we have wordcounter.net. Wordcounter.net is a word counting tool, but when used correctly it can be a very powerful SEO spy tool for your blogs and articles. There are two main stats that this tool gives to you that makes it a great tool for bloggers and marketers. Those stats are called the keyword density and reading level. For the keyword density, it shows the most used words that comes up in whatever text you pasted into the tool and shows you how frequent and how often the word is being used. And secondly, the reading level. The reading level doesn't seem like much of a stat to focus on, but according to reputable sources, it is recommended that most of your blog posts reading level should be 8th grade. So anything above the 8th grade level would become too hard for your readers. It's not to insult your readers, but just for you to get to your point quickly and effectively without having to make your readers overthink of a single word that you're trying to portray. When writing a new topic for your blog, first and foremost, you check on Google what blog posts are ranking for your chosen topic the most, to see what you're doing right and also wrong, so that you might have a chance on Google. With this tool, you will know what type of keywords you shouldn't change no matter what, and also know what reading level your blog post should be at, because it varies on your target audience. And at number 4, we have the Hubspot blog idea generator. The Hubspot blog idea generator is a fantastic tool that helps you come up with blog topic ideas and titles. You can generate topics using this tool and keywords associated with the concept of your blog post. The web app offers a modern and user-friendly layout. There are no pop-ups or advertisements on this blog idea tool. The process of creating topics are accurate and easy using this web app. To get started with this tool, you simply have to enter your keyword and press the add button after doing so. You will then see 5 options to choose from, and if you want to browse for more options, you can do so by registering using your email address. For your specific keywords, this tool will provide you with over 250 different possibilities. It is the most appropriate option for your needs and can be chosen for your blog posts. At number 3, we have Monster Insights Headline Analyzer. Monster Insights has a fantastic free headline analyzer tool that can be used to create appealing headlines. This tool offers you tips for improvements in addition to analysis. The very first thing you'll notice after entering this tool is the headline total score. Additionally, you can view all your past headlines variants along with their scores on their score history page. From this point, you can compare the most recent and your past headlines quickly. The word balance report is the first thing you'll see after seeing your overall score. You may find out if your headline needs improving. The word balance report's primary tab describes the percentage of common words, uncommon words, emotional words, power words that are contained in your headlines, which are the last things you will see. The analysis provides more information than simply percentage, and it indicates whether your headline has achieved the objective for the type of words. I just want to ask you to do me one quick favor. Please do hit the like button if you're enjoying this video. Now let's continue. At number 2, we have QText. In actuality, they include 1 million research journals in addition to more than 20 million published books and 35 billion online pages. QText is now a verified plagiarism detector for a wide spectrum of users. QText is a very simple tool for you once you've gotten the hang of it. You get a plagiarism test for your blog post for up to 1,000 words in a matter of seconds. Your results will be color-coded for simple scanning and for viewing once you receive them. Text that has appeared in public works will be highlighted in red to help you identify it. And for our bonus tool, we have Mango. Mango is a collection of user-friendly SEO tools for bloggers, affiliates, marketers, independent contractors, small and medium-sized businesses. Mango succeeds in the usability department because it offers tools that strive to present functionality in detail and in style. Mango mainly consists of 5 SEO tools. And first, we have the keyword finder for keyword research, the SERP checker for SERP analysis, the SERP watcher for ranking tracking, the link miner for backlink analysis, and the site profiler for tracking SEO metrics and insights. And for 10 days, you may choose to join Mangoes with just your email and passwords, and you'll be taken to their dashboard where all your 5 tools will be ready for you to use without any upfront payment. And number 1, we have Ink for All. Ink for All creates content using AI and natural language processing. While you write, it simultaneously offers you ways to boost your SEO and evaluate your grammar and spelling. You can download Ink for All from the main website in order to use it, and it works on Windows, Macs, Linux. The platform also has a web browser version, but you won't have the full access of those who have downloaded the app. Ink for All offers a forever free plan, but you're only permitted to a certain numbers of articles and the AI generated outputs for a month. You only receive 5,000 words per month, and that's more than enough for you to write at least 2 long form articles. And you can use every template and feature offered by Ink in the free version, with the exception of the text rephrasing tool. So if you're on a tight budget, all these tools I've mentioned will save you a whole lot of money. So let me see in the comment section below what tool fascinates you the most in this list. Please do like and subscribe if you haven't done so, and also hit the notification bell for more daily uploads on this channel. Check out this other video on AI writing tools that you can use for free. So I'm sure you're going to enjoy that video too, and have a great day. I'm going to see you in the next video.